Hey everyone, this is Nate Strout here at the University of Redlands in the Center for Spatial Studies, and today I just want to take a quick look at the first step in any ArcGIS project, and that is to open ArcGIS Pro, get logged in, and start a new project. So the first thing you want to do is just find the app. You can look over here in the Start menu. It'll be under the ArcGIS folder here, and you'll probably have several different ArcGIS apps. The other thing I usually do is just hit the Start menu and start typing ArcGIS. It will come up here. You can also just hit the Windows key on your keyboard and start typing ArcGIS as well. The other thing I like to do is actually put it down here on my taskbar. And because I use it all the time, I want it to be nice and easy to find. You can just right-click on the app in the Start menu and say Pin to Taskbar, and there it is. So we'll go ahead and get that open. And the first thing we'll need to do is just log in. You're presented with a few different options to log in here at the University of Redlands. And for most teams that you might be working with, you're going to want to use this Your ArcGIS organization URL. Ours here at the University of Redlands is Univ Redlands. The other one you might be using at the University of Redlands is Redlands Business, all one word, if you're in the School of Business. Go ahead and remember that URL and move on. As soon as you use Univ Redlands or Redlands Business, you'll see this option to just use your redlands.edu account. So that's what we're going to use here. You'll just use your same username and password that you would use for email. So go through this here. If you're using a machine off campus, this would also prompt you with Duo for dual authentication. So I have lots of different projects that I've been working on here. If this is your first time opening ArcGIS Pro, and if you're watching this video, it probably is, you'll probably just see this list of new project types up here. The most commonly used one is this map template here. I'll start that up. And this is going to create a new project. A new project contains maps, scenes or globes, tools, links to data, links to databases, all kinds of things. And when you create a new project, it creates a new folder for you that kind of contains all that information. I'm going to copy this path right here. This is the default path. It will obviously be replaced with your name here. I'm going to grab this path. We'll take a look at this in a minute, and just to show you what that looks like. I'm going to give this a new name. I'll just call this demo project here, and I'll leave this box checked here. And now it's creating a new project. It's adding a new map to that project for us. And this opens right up for you. This has a default base map called the topographic base map on here. We can change that base map up here. I'll use this imagery hybrid. Also notice here on the right, this is the catalog pane. These are all of the components of the project, easily accessible to you to use for the project. So this has the map that we're working on, a toolbox, a folder with our data in it, a geodatabase that can contain data, all part of our project that we're working on here. So remember I said that it makes a folder for you when you create a project. So let's take a quick look at that here. I'm just going to paste that link that I copied earlier. Okay, so again, this is in your Documents folder, in another ArcGIS folder, Projects, and here's that demo project that we're working on here. If I open this up, this APRX file is the project file itself. If I double click that, it'll open this project again as we left it. This is that GDB, this database over here. This ATBX file is this toolbox file here. So this folder is really important, and it's really important to know where this is after you save it. So kind of keep an eye on where you're actually saving everything. So you've got your map open, you've got a new project, and you're well on your way to getting started with ArcGIS Pro. That's it for this video. So I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you next time.